Hello everyone, welcome to the Richway Personal Enrichment Coaching Program, and this is the video that talks about the benefits to our program. So we're going to go over four major points that we're going to talk about. The first thing we're going to talk about is affordability, being affordable. I've really had the opportunity in my life to really invest in myself in a really major way. But I also realize there's so many people out there that will need the type of coaching I've had, but they don't have the budget. And so to be able to go from a situation to where I would spend about $500 an hour for coaching, life coaching, to where we have a program that's less than $500 a year or a lot less, that's really, really exciting for what we have. And so to me, that's very important because without a program like this, so many people wouldn't have the opportunity to learn the things that we learn in the program. But most importantly, it's not just so much about what you know, it's about who you know as well. And to be in the right environment and meet the right people. A lot of you are going to accomplish so many things in your life after joining this program just because you came in contact with the right people. So that's important that we allowed this to be very affordable, number one. Number two, the four different aspects of what you get from our coaching program. You know, typically you may have one-on-one coaching, and that's sort of one level, but we sort of, not only did we make it affordable, you get 4 times a benefit than an average coaching session. So you have 4 things that you get to have access to. And it's 2 hours a week, all right, that you dedicate to yourself. You should have 5 to 10 hours a week that you should just focus on yourself, personal development anyways. We teach that if you haven't. And we take 2 of those 5 or 10 hours, and you start it off by plugging into this program and taking advantage of the 4 things that this program has to offer. Number one, the Rich class. Our Rich class is a group setting, is 1 hour per week, and it's just so many things you can learn when you connect with people, because just like iron sharpen iron, man sharpen man. And every single class has very successful entrepreneurs in the class. Some classes have, even in the same class, you have people who are new to entrepreneurship, new to business, maybe never even had a company before, but you learn so much from each and every different person. And so being able to be in a group setting is a one level of coaching that's very important, that should be a part of your life, so we made it a part of this program. The second thing is our one-on-one life coaching, okay? One-on-one life coaching is very, very important. When you join our program, you're going to identify 3 life coaches, and every couple months you can actually switch those around. So we have different coaches throughout our program, but it's so important for you or for people to have access to one-on-one coaching. So you're going to have 3 coaches. One coach is going to be your facilitator. Okay, another coach is going to be myself, the CEO and founder, and then you're going to handpick the 3rd coach by going to our facilitator page and reading the bios of our facilitators and picking out which coach that you would like to have access to. It's your responsibility to reach out to your coach whenever you need to. We recommend not only an hour a week of Rich class that you're gonna have, which is a Zoom meeting that I talked about, we also recommend that every single week at minimum, you're having at least one 25-minute coaching session with one of your coaches, and it's up to you to initiate that and make that phone call as well, okay? The 3rd benefit you have in our program is that we have the book Rich, the 27 Manifestation of Balance. It's a book that every single person who joins our program, they're going to be able to get, because we're in the process of creating our workbook, and we're going to collectively with our 99 founding members, we're going to collectively create the workbook to our program. And right now, Rich is a great study guide. That's the 3rd way of learning, ladies and gentlemen, is reading material. And the 4th benefit that we have is our Rich Talk. Every single day you have a 5-minute Rich Talk video, and that's another way of learning. To be able to listen to someone indirectly train you is very important. But I want you to understand something. To Rich Talk, there's different levels of how you benefit from Rich Talk. The first level is inspiration, all right? That's one way. But the second level is that we're training all of our people to not be what I like to call the black hole of information. When you go to seminars and you read books and you go to this place and go to that place, but you're not teaching anything. So what we train people to do on a day-to-day basis is take that inspiration from that rich talk and in your own way, send out an inspirational message through your preferred delivery system. Because the more you pour into people, the better you are. And the third benefit to Rich Talk is for our leaders. It's a platform that you can train and teach to others as well, but you can also use that platform to promote your business, promote your website, promote what you're doing. We'll have over 1 million people come through our program, and this will be an amazing platform for a lot of our leaders that we have in our program as well. So with that being said, that is the benefits to our personal enrichment coaching program. This is Ricky Bennett out of Houston, Texas. Stay rich.